Khusro Betia, I JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss the website for e-commerce in India. Some of them which is popular in India. With the Indian consumers becoming more and more internet savvy and increasing numbers of businesses in India are aiming to increase their sales by going online. Here is a list of 10 best e-commerce websites in India to get inspired from while making your own e-commerce web design strategy. Like first one is your flipkart.com. It started in 2007 by a team of two, Sachin Bansal and Bini Bansal. Now employs over 20,000 people. It is marketplace selling over 20 million products ranging from clothing, home and kitchenware, electronics, shoes, books and many more categories. It is India's first billion-dollar e-commerce company. In 2014, it acquires Myntra online fashion portal. Flipkart.com has been ranked 6th by Alexa ranking among the top websites in India. The second one is your Amazon.com. Amazon.in, operated by Amazon Seller Services Private Limited, an affiliate of Amazon.com that opened in the World Wide Web in July 1995. Amazon Seller Services made its foray into the Indian market with the launch of Jungly.com in Feb 2012 to in 2013. Amazon launched its site in India, www.amazon.in. Its registered office in India is in Bangalore. Amazon product line includes several media, books, DVDs, music, CDs, video tapes and software, apparel, baby products, electronics, beauty products, groom, garment, food, grocery, health and personal care items, industrial and scientific suppliers, kitchen items, jewelry and watches, laws and garden items, musical instruments, sporting goods, tools, automated items and toys and games. Everything is sold in Amazon.com. Amazon.in is ranked ninth by Alexa ranking among the top website in India. Snapdeal.com was started in 2010 by Kunal Walla and Rahul Bansal after getting inspired by www.groupon.com. Snapdeal head office in the New Delhi and features product across categories like mobiles, electronics, fashion, accessories, apparel and footwears. It is ranked 13 by the Alexa ranking among the top website in India. Jabong.com is the started in 2012 and co-founder Arun Chandra Mohan, and this company head office is in Gurgaon. And Jabong.com is an Indian fashion and lifestyle e-commercial portal selling apparel, footwear, fashion accessories, beauty products, fragrance, home accessories and other fashion and lifestyle product. Jabong.com has been ranked 15th by Alexa in ranking the top website in India. Quikr.com was launched in 2008 and is currently present in 940 cities across India with its headquarters in Mumbai. Quikr is an India-based online marketplace that allows people to post and respond to free local classified ads and wanteds for housing, apartment, furniture, matrimonial, pets, job resume, car services, event discussion and more. Quikr.com has been ranked 16th by Alexa ranking among the top website in India. eBay.in India Private Limited started in 2006 whose office is located in Gurgaon East, Mumbai. eBay is India's leading online marketplace offering auction, quick buy and classified modes of person-to-person trading. There are a wide range of products listed on eBay India in an array of categories including art and antique apparel, Bollywood books and magazine, cars and bikes, computers, home and personal loans, electronics, cameras and optic, movies, music, health, beauty, gifts, homes, jewelry, mobile phones. Everything is sold and auctioned in this website. This website is ranked 25th by Alexa ranking among the top website in India. www.lx.in was launched in India back in 2006 and it is the most popular consumer to consumer online marketplace in India. It enables public to buy, sell and rent everything locally through free classified advertisements of pre-owned mobile computers, electronics, furniture, appliances, cars, bike, properties and apartments. OLX.in has been ranked 32 by Alexa ranking among the top website in India. www.myntra.com was founded in 2007 by IITians Mukesh Bansal, Asutosh Lavanya, and Vinit Saxena. It is a headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka. It is a marketplace selling apparels, accessories, cosmetic, and footwear from 500 million leading Indian and international brand. Myntra.com has been ranked 42nd by Alexa ranking among the top website in India. Myntra.com has been acquired by www.flipkart.com. www.shopclose.com team operates from their head office in Gurgaon. It is an online shopping store, mobile iPhone, computers, digital tablet appliances, digital camera, bike, car accessories, has been fashion stores, health and beauty products in India. This is ranked 43rd by Alexa in India. Homesoft18.com was launched in 2008 in India. It is a founder of and CEO is Mr. Sandeep Malhotra. Its headquarters is in Uttar Pradesh, India. It sells automobiles, cameras and accessories, clothing, computers and tablets, electronics, fashion, accessories, footwear, gifts and flowers, groceries, health and beauty, home and kitchen, household appliances, jewelry, mobile services, sports and fitness strategy. So everything is sold in homeshop.18.com. It is ranked number 5, the most trafficked e-commerce portal in India. It is founded in 2013. Uh, so this is all about this session. Thank you class. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University.